Hey everyone, I'm Dave, and today we're going to be working on a jigsaw, replacing the base portion of the jigsaw. Today's parts we'll be using consist of the base, then there's the base plate, which is inset into the base. There's our 4 countersunk screws, the clamp, and the clamp screw. We ordered up all our parts from ereplacementparts.com. These parts can be ordered individually, so you can order up your base plate, base, 4 countersunk screws, clamp screw, and our clamp. First thing we're going to do is put, of course, our plate onto our base, and that can only go on one way. And then we put in our 4 countersunk screws. The screws are all identical. We'll just drop each in. Then we'll take our clamp as well as our hex sock head bolt, and we're ready to remount that back onto our jigsaw. We can remove the old plate by simply removing the screw and the clamp and replace with the new one with the proper bolt. That just line it up with the hole and tighten it in place. Once you have it in place, take the Allen key and we'll put it in the storage area for next time whenever you go to use the saw. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully this parts replacement video helped you get your jigsaw back up and operational. For more tips, tricks, tools, and teardowns, please check out our other videos. And don't forget to subscribe.